5.
Hello, my name is Andre Butcher. I'm sales manager for Assured Flow Sales here in sunny Sarasota, Florida. First and foremost, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Today I'm going to discuss and demonstrate a couple things as far as the importance of certain parts of maintenance for your fire hydrants within your water distribution network, particularly cleaning, degreasing, and applying new coat of anti-seize to the nozzle and cap threads. This is a Mueller Centurion hydrant. It's got the two 2.5s in the sides and a pumper in the front. I'm not going to do all three, but be sure when you do this procedure, you take care of all the nozzles on the fire hydrants within your distribution system. So I'm going to take care of the pumper nozzle in the front like I discussed. Just want to go ahead and knock off the cap real quick. Might be pretty tight. All right. Is that right there? We want to start off by applying the coat of our Hydra Ease degreaser. This is an NSF A1 registered degreaser designed specifically for degreasing the nozzle and cap threads on your fire hydrants. Pretty liberal coat all the way around. And the foaming action in this aerosol can is going to be better than a liquid stream and other products. Foam is going to break down some of the old compounds, dissolve into it, and make it much easier to get it off with your wire brush and your terry cloth. So we're going to go ahead and start scrubbing away here. If you want to zoom in here, you can see how dirty this particular nozzle is. Once we're done, this will shine up like a new penny. Go ahead and give it a nice thorough scrub all the way around. And again, I'm just doing this for demonstrative purposes. You want to make sure you take care of all the nozzles on your fire hydrant when you're doing this procedure. It's nice and clean. Go ahead and do the same thing for the cap. Nice liberal spray. Let that kind of foam up. Give this another quick clean. That should be good. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the wire brush cleaning process for the cap nozzles. Break up all that old compound, grime, dirt, whatever it may be. The greaser's really helping to do that. You want to make sure that the nozzle and cap threads are thoroughly clean before you put on new anti-seize. Oftentimes, too much anti-seize is applied, and it's going to make the cap much more difficult to get off the nozzle when you have to take it off to begin with. Okay, so now that both have been degreased and cleaned with the wire brush, we actually want to open up the hydrant and let it flush out a little bit, because there might have been some old grime that has gotten inside the fire hydrant itself. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Well, that's flushing a little bit. Get this stuff out of the way. Take our bucket here, get everything out of the kit. Fill it up with some of the potable water. It's flushing from the inside out, but we want to make sure we rinse off the nozzle threads as well. So now the exterior is taken care of. We'll go ahead and do the same for the cap threads, just to get out all that old compound dirt and grime. That's pretty good. Go ahead and close the hydrant up here. And tighten it all the way. Before we put on a new layer of anti-seize, we're going to go ahead and wipe off any excess grime that may have stuck around on the nozzle threads and the cap threads. You can see if you zoom in the difference between before and after. This is going to make a like new application, and it's going to make the cap much easier to go on and off with the fire hydrant the next time you need to do so. Go ahead and dry this, wipe this clean as well. All right, both are pretty clean here. Last but not least, we want to take our Hydra Ease. This is our NSF H1 registered food grade anti-seize designed specifically for fire hydrants and the nozzle and cap threads. Before we apply it, we just want to agitate the tube a little bit, kind of mix together all the product here. We're going to put it on in this way. Don't need a ton of it. With one tube, you should be able to do about 15 to 20 hydrants. Start off from back to front. We're going to go from back to front at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Now this one might be a little difficult to stay on there, just kind of work it into the threads like this. And then 9 o'clock. Don't need to put any on the cap threads. I'll show you why. Go ahead and put the cap on. Twist it all the way on. Tighten it with your hands. All the way back off. Doing that process is going to distribute the new compound Hydra-Ease throughout all the nozzle and cap threads. And then back on, oops, where it will remain. Go ahead and tighten it up here with your wrench. All right, that should do it. That is the appropriate way to clean, degrease, and apply a new coat of Hydra-Ease anti-seize to your nozzle and cap threads. Again, demonstration only. When you do this, you want to make sure you take care of all the nozzles and caps on your hydrants. Again, I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and have a great day.